So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. But there's something or someone coming in fast for you. There's an offer. But go slow. Go slow. There's an offer coming in for you, Aries. I feel like there's somebody here that has a hard time opening up and communicating with you. But I'm seeing they made a decision. Look, they want a peace of mind with you, so they had to get out of the situation. They had to free themselves. Yep, Ace of Swords. I'm telling you, because they want that new opportunity with you. That's the offer. But I'm seeing they're not listening to their intuition. Why? Because they're back and forth with making a decision. They feel like you don't want to build with them. Okay, yeah. They want to heal. You know, they hurt you. They know they hurt you bad. See, back and forth with the Ten of Swords. Yeah, they stabbed you in the back. And they definitely have told you they want to heal. And see, that's why the communication is coming in. Look at that. This 11 jumped on top of that 11. See what I'm saying? So there could be a connection between the two of you. It's like this person chooses you. They're coming out of worrying. I have 2 9s here. Yeah, there was some type of karmic cycle that this person was going through, and it's coming to an end. But the thing is, this is why they're afraid things may not improve between the two of you. You know, and it's like they're trying to be confident, you know, because the seeds that they planted with you, Aries, they want them to, they want it to grow. But I feel like this person is they're having a hard time. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Yeah, this is family. So either you have a family with this person, or this person is involved with some type of family situation, you know, and it's like they want to turn things around with you, but they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory due to some type of family situation. So for some of you, they may have to move. They may have to physically move. This could be saying that maybe they're just wanting to move forward with you. Could be dealing with the Cancer. Yeah. They're afraid, again, they're not going to have this new opportunity. See, somebody feels like they were dealing with a soulmate, you know, but the Emperor and Empress is here, but they're reversed. So it's like you guys are not on the same page. This person, they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation. You know, do you have a child or children with this person? Or, you know, are you guys reversed because maybe they didn't make you happy because maybe they have a child or children with someone else? Or it's just if there's no children involved, this person could have just been very childish. But I'm seeing that, again, if you could have been dealing with an Aries, but this person, they want to have this new beginning with you, but they're afraid you're going to let them go. That's why they're afraid it's not going to happen. See, they want to rush in fast, but I'm feeling like this person could have been being a player in the past. Yeah, see? They're making a change, but the thing is, in the past, they were sneaky. This person was really sneaky. And they hurt you. This person definitely hurt you. See, yeah, they... Ooh. This person manipulated you. Clarify the devil. Why is the 4 of Pentacles here? This person definitely manipulated you in the past. And I don't know, for some of you, see, I'm remembering the reading from last time. Remember I was telling you, like, some of you guys could have helped this person out. You could have given them money or just helped them financially, and, like, you know, fed them. It's something like that. So it's kind of like they wanted things to improve with you, but they did it all for the wrong reasons. This is why they hurt you. Okay, somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but it's like they don't have the strength. See, there was a third party here. The 3 of Cups land on the Empress, and the Empress has another 3. Yeah, there was they put you in some type of third party situation, and it's like they're trying to come out of being frustrated, and they're wanting to see. I got 2 truth cards. This person wants to speak their truth to you. You could have been dealing with a Pisces. I don't like this. I don't like it, guys. Clarify the Magician. They're wanting to be with you, but I'm not going to lie. I'm over here. I'm questioning this person. Their intentions. Their true intentions. Right now, they're isolating themselves. Could be a Virgo. Yeah, this person's worried about their money. And see, they want to be in a relationship with... I don't like this. For some of you guys, maybe this person, they use sex as a way to lure you back in. You know, to keep you around. I'm not feeling this energy. Could be... I know I said it, I'm going to say it again. Could be dealing with a Gemini, okay? But this person feels like you're not going to take their offer. They left you out in the cold. They want to make it right, but that's why they feel like you're not going to take it. See, they want a new beginning with you, and they're going to put in the work to win you back. Because they want to balance things out with you, but see, there's balance. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I feel like this person is still giving to someone else. Yeah, they are. Because, see, they're going to tell you they got to remove themselves out of this other situation, and it's like they're waiting on money. It's something financially speaking they're waiting on, you know, and this is why they keep going back and forth with making a final decision. See, this is why they're not taking a leap, you know, and they're worried. Maybe somebody's coming after them financially speaking. See, I told you there's another woman here. Could be two men, because you know how I feel about my court cards, but yeah, they're still, I told you, it's like, the deeper I got into this, I'm questioning their true intentions, because there's somebody else here, and they know you're not positive about them. See, well, goddamn, there's three. You see what I'm saying? This person, alright, that's it. No, I don't like him. No, I don't like him. I don't like her. This is a no. Aries, this goes back to what I just told y'all last month. If you forgot, go back and watch the August reading. This is a no. No. This, I'm not even picking up, because you know how, like, if I have 4 queens or 4 kings, they can make up the emperor or the empress energy. No, ma'am. No, sir. These are 3 different women, 3 different men. This person's playing. This is a no. No. See? They're undecided about what to do. See what I'm saying? No. I don't give a damn about y'all connection right now. They still playing, okay? This is a no. They're dragging their feet because they're still... No, justice. Yeah, they're going through karma. You're going to get your justice, okay? You don't have... Aries, don't go and be petty, okay? Please don't do nothing crazy, okay? I need y'all to stay calm. I need y'all to breathe, okay? They're going to get it. They're going to get it one way or the other. Let karma play out. Let karma do her thing, okay? Because, see, this person, they want things to improve with you. They want to give you an offer. They're coming back. I'm sorry. Blah, blah, blah. But, see, they're saying it. Some of them, they're saying it just to keep you stuck. Because I do feel like some of you give to them. But for others of you, in their own little weird, twisted way, they want to be with you. You get what I'm saying? It's like, they want to, I don't like their intentions. This is a no. No. Okay, see, they want to be with you. They're trying to come out of being frustrated, but see, they can't move forward with you. They're still going through lessons. They don't have a happy home. They don't have a happy living situation. So it's like they're trying to move fast. Oh, hell no. So, if this person is living with this is not for everybody. So y'all, please y'all, it's general. Take what fits for you. Some of you guys... Lord, I gotta put my hand on my head now, Jesus. For some of you guys, there's somebody here that they live with someone else, whether this is a love interest or it's a family member or a friend. But whatever the living situation is, it ain't working out, okay? It's not working out. So for some of them, they're trying to do whatever they can because they're over here trying to move in with you, okay? For some of you, Aries, I'm hearing that this person could live with you. It's for some of y'all, it's not all of y'all. And they're trying to do whatever they can to basically make sure they have a roof over their head. But the thing is, they're not doing, and this is a no. See, they're still immature and childish. I didn't know, Aries. No. Back and forth with the Hierophant. See what I'm saying? No. See, I'm skipping signs. Y'all putting me through today. So, Libra, you could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. For some of you, like I was telling you, you're in some type of long-term commitment. Some of you guys might be married, or there's some type of contract. You see, there's a lot of arguing. This person, no. And see, they don't... I'm trying to calm down because I'm trying to really cuss today. Again. This person, they're confused. I'm telling you, they don't know what they want. See? They're feeling like they're not going to be able to have a family with you. They don't want you to walk away. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like they're losing hope because of what they did to you in the past. See, they had multiple options. I figured that out when I saw those 3 queens. Okay, I told y'all. No. See, because they had options in the past, this person feels like you're going to cut them off for good. Aries. We're going to look at this advice. Okay? But I know come October, this energy better shift. Okay, I ain't gonna do that to y'all. I'm not gonna do that to y'all. I'm gonna give y'all till December. I'm gonna give y'all till December. Alright, Lord. Jesus. Okay, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Queen of Cups reverse. So, this is telling me that you guys wear this poker face. You guys have a poker face on because this situation really bothers your soul. Like, behind closed doors, of course. You're not going to show anybody else. Everybody thinks you're fine, but it bothers you. And at times, I feel like you guys, they're saying you're not really listening to your intuition. So, let's see. All right. So, I'm seeing that you guys want balance. But you're back and forth with the 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, you guys, some of you guys were waiting to see if things were going to work out between you and this person. But you guys are frustrated because it's like they're taking too long. See? You want a new beginning with this individual. I'm seeing pregnancy. So are you pregnant by this person? Or did this person, remember I told you I picked up on that. Or is somebody pregnant? So there's a pregnancy. If there's not a pregnancy, for some of you guys, I feel like this person definitely wants things to improve with you, or maybe you wanted things to improve. You wanted this new opportunity, but you don't see it happening. There's a breakup. Again, there could have been a breakup due to a pregnancy. So it's like now you're moving slow because you're back and forth making a decision. Okay, Aries, I ain't gonna lie. Some of y'all might be pregnant, or you're about to get pregnant. And if it's not you, maybe you're worried that the person that you were involved with or were in a relationship with, this person's pregnant or that person got someone else pregnant. It's something like that. Yeah, see? Because now when they come back trying to give you an offer, you're not taking it due to a family situation. Something that they did in the past. Let's see. Yep, you don't want their offer. You don't want it. You guys are healing from feeling sad. I told you guys, I'm seeing it again. Some of you guys did help this person out financially. You put in a lot of time, effort, and energy into them, you know, and you're healing from taking some type of loss. See, I told you, this is about money for some of you guys. It's like now you're putting in the work back into yourself. It's like, you know, this person could have drained you financially. So it's like some of you guys are getting yourself together. But see, this situation pisses you off. You're keeping quiet about it. There's something that you want to say. You're not saying. Yeah, see? There's no communication. So some of you guys may not be talking, but there's communication that's coming in, but you're back and forth with the high priestess. So there's a saying that, and I'm seeing the 2 of swords, so 1111. Your angels are trying to help you, you know, and it's like you got to listen to your intuition, but at the same time, some of you, you're not listening. Because I feel like you're being pushed to clear away these obstacles with this individual. Yeah, Aries, there's your card. It's like, you know, this person, they're not bringing any type of stability in your life. They're taking from you. They're not adding to it. But at the end of the day, it's your judgment call. Like, you got to make the decision. Okay, are you going to keep entertaining this person? Are you going to keep waiting on them? Or are you going to do what you have to do to clear away those obstacles so you can move forward? Because, see, right now, you don't have a peace of mind. I told you, for some of you, you don't have a peace of mind with your money, but you don't have a peace of mind with what have a peace of mind with what have a peace of mind